Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
In as much as there be a opportunity now, we speak against this whole Western Togoland movement. No, I think, sir, in some cases, no, the prosecution team of Abainso and Nyade, ewo case way so. We better say, Melodies, I say, men now can. And so, never to us on subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. Oh, yeah, the latest news be about one star ever can. Last me by reported trail say yachi incrophobia yesusu say Western Togoland for you womo kan ho ayede omo akokot aye kwa charge womo. So far in this country, this is not the first people that womo aye Western Togoland for yachi omo. In fact, papa na wodi omo nima ye friend Papa V. Ono kra yachi na say twice. Na nini na ye de asem ne kokota. Ebekwa ko wie chire no na ye gya asem ne mo sebe. Ghana send ya ye kan no asem ne koda ne foolish case. Na nansi ya yechi Togoland foi 13 of them ye be report ya ye case we die aban be prosecute ama ye hu no. Judge awoti asem ne so ne buafu. Judge no ye oba ye friend Susanna Edufu. Oye Accra Circuit Judge. Ne buafu adan ya. O say na wo state prosecutor aban watching Crawford we aba e was a we investigation na the ban yedi hu na say yes Crawford wo modi bone ye nchi omuntum no ase aban atching Crawford we aba wi say investigation aban person obe yo say den yo tre say bibia ye slow it just ni bofu say wo ma aban 1 week say wo mo pe investigation papa bia mba and thread ye ntia ye nchi Crawford ntum a wo no wo be release sa Western Togoland for ya chi omu na wonte ase prosecutor wodi asem we nim ASP Sylvester Asare na minim se mumu bebre motai tie channel we court cases ne nyama ekoso bia munim se ASP Sylvester Asare na wotai edi enim talk of omo a wo ye chi omo for coup d'etat omo a ye chi omo se wo mbeso mo ye coup no talk of men's good and stuff like ASP Sylvester Asare there Ghana prosecution cases be brena no onu no die enim we nso wono ana wodi enim nti judge ni bofu na some judge ni kan was say if after 1 week you are not able to say anything to advance the case I will discharge the accused persons. You cannot continue to do this as some judge ni ka tre prosecutor no adena mo ye say asem wa chingrofo we aba say yen prosecute omo modern Crawford ba say prosecute you have to show evidence. You to me say they be an for mumbra court inform without you people showing evidence. Musi omo di boni a mumbra na mo be kan asem na nchi omo ntum so mo di boni e. Mo acho mo aba court e wi afei mo ye kokwa asasa. Judge no Tinubu afu. So ma 1 week after 1 week still as a bibi paba bi amba ni mu a obe release sa Western Togoland for yi. You see, interna me shas ya make us say, sa die we ni na no. Sa Western Togoland is same way ni na no. E wo mu se nkrofo no de omo ye no enye. But the way wo mu ko do court ye treaty omo no, eno so kan bi na nkrofo wo mu ye de omo ye no. E ka ho bi, I am telling you because these people Western Togoland for yi, mama wati asese me baby ana me ko imiti barbering shop. Abranche bi o ka tell me say ko mo ho Sisi ana Andre mi ko yimiti no ni ho barbering shop no ni ho bi wense okọ volta se de mi nim se wakwa akọ mo ye we ya abrante ne ka kire mi pefe se de enti a wo wa asem no ene se ende se Ghana ban chi o mo kra na Ghana ban want to me prosecute o mo because wo asem ni mu a wo mo asem ye de but me personally me feel say nkrofo we wo mo asem ye de be sense ne ansensem koso no eya ye chi omo a na ye gya omo ye chi omo a na asem na koda ne hubluja e wo court na ye gya omo nti nkrofo ne kra to me the two nkrofo for wo mu krom say wo ya asem ye de nti na Ghana ban wo mo chi yen a wo mu tumi enchi yen tum no nti na mo de yen kwa no mo gya yen no because wo mo court na wo mu hu say ya asem ye de wo court a wo hu ne say yes ye the evidence na kasa nti wo mu du court na yensu ye evidence enu nti no mu wo mo kasa ansem we ni na to nkola ni trim na nkola ni so believe say and ye na kra. This is not the first time I've told you. So far, as I know, so I was in Togoland for Ayachi Omu. So far, I am yet to see omwa ya prosecute omwa ya kase wo because of Western Togoland nti ye de wo kotum for 10 years ana no omo nina ye de omo kwa na eje omo nina ye de omo kwa na eje omo embra wo ye say wo ko declare independence somewhere around last 2 years say last year wo ye say wo ko declare independence ye ma soldier for ko form free water region ye airlift omo ba and crime. Yeah, one day say Attorney General and discontinue case no. Just a case no. I'm also won't continue biom. No one got to know the reason why. Later, and I will be better explaining as some say, "Any papa na odi omonim no, wo mo call court and they chini tu mo no. Wo ye ne ho say wo yare, wo ye ne ho say wontumi o ye ne ho say wontumi nante. Inta na eji ane mo me say where a reason." Obi ediboni a we diboni na wo de afiansa wo ko hu ne mobo say o wontumi nante wontumi nye senti yenja yen discontinue case no really. So that was about the first time I chin na sansensem ne bae. Later some obekaya wo mo nkrofo bi a na ye say yem omo train omo as soldiers ye kwachi omo eno so ye chi omo ye say ye be prosecute omo ye be prosecute omo ye be ha na say ye say ye ba abejai omo ninemu. Reason a womo de bae and say oh san nkrofo na omo course ye ko train omo no ye dada omo ye katra omo say womo mbra be ye adwuma nti omo du ono omo so nim say adwuma no mo be ye and a police for no be see omo so not knowing no na Western Togoland for na aheda e ba be train omo me say Tresen nkrofo de bia ye ja omo ana de bia ye chi omo ne de omo kokota ne ya ba be ja omo. How do we expect them or how do we expect to curb this thing they are doing now? Womo ye video bi Western Togoland for your audio be about Bontena, member be reacting on that particular audio. Na ma church in same one trend grow for. But the inaction of Aban is also part of this thing. Sen Crawford Yesusu say yes, omo di bone. Yesusu say yes, the omo ye na bonia. Why is it that they be the omo do quarter ni ye ja omo? That's what I don't understand. That's the explanation I need. This particular one you enjoy omo, but we will read it as someone judge no walk on. Was so no obejai omo because aban ye go slow asem ne so. Nya ti abonten ye ni court ye nim de esi judge no na walk on. Judge ni say prosecution ye go slow asem ne so. Na wo no judge no to me hwe nimu asa obejai nkrofo nimu. Some Crawford judge we should expect they will now grow bigger. Because now it will be every single time they are arrested, Asemno and Kodu baby so they will still be gathering more people. Media Obi Beka say utrimo di opa say ye mutum enye sao. But mimi susu say ye hu ne say eye ne kre. Because ye ni aye nim the history and the history na ba ye hu ne said that be nkrofo di omo ye no enka ye. So why is it that Aban because yes na otina sia obeka say ebia na nkrofo ne kra wo mo asem ye de because ye nim say obi asem ye de na wo ye bibi say ye chi ni tum. Dr. Bina ye ko chi no wo alaju for coup d'etat no atlende asem still wo court because Yesusu say yes. Asem no ya bia a solid. If these people we feel say they are also doing something similar because Abaya na eka say nkrofo plans embra or mo first attack second attack by no Abaya nkrofo be beka say nkrofo they had plans to attack some government installations and things, which is a serious matter. And so if you can't provide all this evidence in court and prosecute these people, then I mean what's going on? Then it simply means that in someone more keka fan crofo we hu a yenso yenye bia tene simply means e bia enye ne kre because e ne kra kokwa prove wo court eh. It's asemo da hono no. Asemo da hono no. And people are using this opportunity to attack the judge rather. You people don't understand the legal processes. Emma nkrofo di judge na tem said the judge ne ye na nye the judge ne ye, but you see you people should understand say been prayer san judge no yo bia what na ho ema embra se wo ye chill se we di boni bi near the wo court de bia na de bia de wo court ye mfa evidence bia amba de no an say ye de wo kojina court ye de wo kojina court na judge be no be pene masade na si. So those who are attacking the judge say the judge ne ye enye no, please don't attack the judge, attack the prosecution team, because they are supposed to come with evidence. Na wo de obi akwa kojina court na wan fa evidence amba then na wo kwa akoye wo court. So why are you even attacking the judge? Because obi asama wo dey ban say judges in this country are wicked, or the state institution are Ghana are too weak, they are not adequately resourced. It's in go di judge na them. But you see, if you understand the matters on the ground, you not even insult the judge, because if you won to wa imagine say obi awunim near the nakwa kojina court say wabokro no na wonso who believe say nipa ko na wunim no who believe say oh nipa ko we dey megidi say won bokro no ye ba ye say wabokro no a ye fa evidence mbra court na ye metre say wabokro no na de bia ye de nipa no court say ye 10 years ka de bia de no court for 10 years without showing evidence. Now wo catch me say ye one aka we ni beje obi enu anaka ni beje obi abeka say it is they be a move backwards, move wasting the back on the time, because mind you, these people have not been bailed. They are still in custody of the police. Into court now, we move, but they just move the comfort of their home, so we move free prisons and then backwards. No, it is just so share the AC. Watching Grofui, or some of the evidence back near Betio Moya Chiomo, most move evidence in back. They be also a your mujina court, and then a mobile bay or court. Into an normal. So those who are attacking the judges, no, you people, I feel say you need to really understand the matter before you attack the judge. But the other one, no, muncha mwaji wa comment box ni mo medase.